Hello everyone, today we are comparing Doogee V Max Pro, V Max Plus and Doogee V Max. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Display features. They offer 6.58 inches IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Next, compare the hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.2 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.